I never took content creation as my full-time profession. I'm a computer programmer and loves to build software. 2 years back in January 2018, I started a YouTube channel to publish programming tutorials. Initially, I started in Bangla language and later I started creating content on English. After a few months, I combined my short video tutorials, created a few programming courses and published them on Udemy. In September 2020, I became a Medium partner and started monetization for my written tutorials. So let's see the statistics. Over 2 years, my channel got 6,600,000 views, 34,000 hours of watch time, 13,000 subscribers. But I earned only 450 US dollar in the last 2 years. So let's talk about Udemy. Before publishing on Udemy, I asked some of my peers who publish content on Udemy that how much they earned, but nobody clearly answered me. So I decided, let's combine my short YouTube video tutorials, create some programming courses and publish them on the Udemy platform. So I published 3 programming courses, got 17,000 students and I earned 915 US dollar in the last 1.5 years. Now let's talk about Medium. English is my second language. I started writing in 2008 on my personal blog thinkdeep.net. On Medium, I started writing a few years ago. Basically, I publish the same content in both my personal blog and Medium website. As I live in Malaysia and the payment network, the Stripe, which came here a few months back, in September I applied and became a Medium partner. So I earned 285 US dollar in the last 4 months from Medium. So if I compare my income in all of these 3 platforms, I earn monthly on average 18.75 US dollar from YouTube, 45.75 US dollar from Udemy and 71.25 US dollar from Medium. But please note that creating video tutorials take more time than writing tutorials. I spend very little time writing content on Medium than creating video content on YouTube and Udemy. If I compare my time spent on creating content, writing programming tutorials give me the most return for me. So this is my story, my experience. It may not be the same for everyone, but I know a few YouTubers publishing programming video tutorials and earning very good income from YouTube. Also, there are a few people who are earning millions of dollars from Udemy by publishing programming tutorials. So the experience basically varies among people. So the question comes, which platform you should choose to publish your programming tutorials? Basically, there is no right and wrong answer. Which type of content you like most, you should create that kind of content. If you find it's easier for you to write than creating a video tutorial, just go for it. Write tutorial on your blog or maybe in Medium. If you can create value, people find it helpful, you can able to earn money as a byproduct. But don't take the money thing too seriously at first. Become better your craft than expecting more. What I see, serious programmers don't watch or rarely watch YouTube programming tutorials. They prefer to buy programming courses on Udemy. Reading is faster than watching or listening. When a serious programmer wants to solve a problem for his job, he searches in Google, right? And he tries to read fast to understand the concept to build from various written articles. So this is where written tutorials like on Medium shines. So at the end, I can say that there is no better decision than deciding based on experience. So don't stop creating content. If you are confused, create content in any of these platforms, work for a few months and analyze the result. Then you can decide which is the right platform for you to create content and publish tutorials, especially programming tutorials. Okay? So if you have any experience of creating content for YouTube, Udemy, Medium or any other platform, let me know in the comments.